1X Technologies acquires Kind Humanoid, the race to bring robots home. Big news in robotics, 1X Technologies has acquired Kind Humanoid, bringing two innovation teams together to fast-track the development of humanoid robots. It's a major step towards making household robots a reality. Kind Humanoid, founded by Stanford scientist and ex-Google robotics expert Christoph Kohstall, has been on a mission to create robotics that truly connect with people. Their creation, Mona, is a bipedal human design for homes and healthcare, combining cutting-edge design with AI-powered interaction. Now, as part of 1X Technologies, their vision is to grow even faster. 1X, which raised $100 million last year, has been developing general-purpose robots to work safely alongside people. With this acquisition, both teams are aligned on a shared goal, creating robots that learn by living among us, not just in the labs. So what's next? While many companies focus on robots for factories and warehouses, 1X and Kind are battling big on robots for everyday life. This partnership is a leap forward in bringing helpful, practical humanoids into the homes. Humanoid robots might not be here just yet, but they are closer than ever. And soon they may be lending a hand where we need it most. And that's the news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly Robot Optimised workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.